Hi everyone, today we are going to start with the example session on the chapter Human Health and Diseases. So we studied about the various pathogens that cause diseases, what are non-communicable diseases, what are communicable diseases, what vitamin deficiency lead to diseases, how are the various diseases transmitted, what are various viral diseases, bacterial, fungal, protozoan, insect, alright, everything we studied. Now we will have some questions on the same. Okay, so let's start. Which of the following terms refers to the study of diseases? Refers to the study of diseases, right? Pathology, physiology, anatomy, or epidemiology. So if you studied the lecture properly, in the starting only I mentioned what is the study of diseases. It is epidemiology. Which of the following diseases can be transmitted from one person to another? So what they're asking is, out of all these, which can be transmitted from one person to another? So the diseases which can be transported from one person to another is a communicable disease. So out of these, which is a communicable disease? Is it asthma? Is it cancer? Is it malaria? Or is it diabetes? So the correct option over here is, yes, option C. Malaria. All right, malaria can be transmitted from one person to another. It is a communicable disease. Which type of disease is caused by a virus? Okay, so what type of disease do viruses cause? Is it a bacterial disease? Is it a protozoan disease? Is it a fungal disease? Or is it a viral disease? So of course a virus will cause a viral disease, right? A viral. Tuberculosis is caused by which type of pathogen? Okay, tuberculosis is caused by which type of pathogen? We studied about tuberculosis. Okay, what type of infection it was, what does it do, what were the symptoms, how was it cured? Okay, so is it bacteria, is it virus, is it protozoa, is it fungi? The correct option is yes, A. Bacteria. Bacteria causes tuberculosis. Which of the following diseases is caused by the Plasmodium parasite? Okay, so out of these, one is caused by the Plasmodium parasite. What type of diseases do parasite cause? Protozoan, right? So parasites cause protozoan diseases. Okay, mostly. Which of the following diseases? Tuberculosis, dengue fever, malaria, or cholera? So the correct option is C, malaria. Okay, we know what mosquito transports it, right? But what is it transporting? What type of parasite is it? It is Plasmodium. Remember, Plasmodium parasite causes malaria. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection that commonly affects which part of the body? Okay, so an athlete's foot is a fungal infection that affects which part of the body? Hands, scalp, feet, lungs. So it is an easy question. Foot means feet. It will affect the feet, right? Let's move now. Which of the following diseases is transmitted through sexual contact? Okay, so out of these, I told you to remember the names of the diseases under various sections. All right, because it is very important, because they can ask which disease is this, how is it transported, out of these which one is sexually transported, bacterially transported. All right, so you should remember the names. So out of all these, which one is sexually transmitted? Okay, through sexual contact. Is it cholera? Is it influenza? Is it tuberculosis? Or is it gonorrhea? Okay, out of these only one is sexually transmitted disease, STD, that is gonorrhea. Okay, gonorrhea. Mosquitoes are common vectors for which of the following diseases? So they are vectors, means they transport diseases. Okay, they can transport diseases easily, right? So these are vectors, vector borne diseases, the insects which contain the disease and they transmit it. So for which of the following diseases? Cholera, tetanus, malaria, measles. So mosquitoes cause which one out of these? All right, so the correct option is yes, A, this C, malaria. All right, malaria is done by the anopheles mosquito. What is the main purpose of using antibiotics to treat bacterial diseases? Why do I use antibiotics to treat bacterial diseases? Out of these, which one is the correct option? Is it to boost the immune system? Is it to kill the bacteria? Is it to reduce inflammation, alright, the pain and swelling, or to provide pain relief? Right? Out of these, which one is the correct option? So the correct option is to B, kill the bacteria. I use antibiotics to kill the bacteria. Okay. Let's move to which of the following is an example of a non-communicable disease? Okay. Out of these, one is a non-communicable disease. Which one is it? Is it influenza? Is it typhoid? Is it diabetes? Or is it cholera? Yes, so the correct option is C, diabetes. Diabetes, a person develops diabetes due to lifestyle factors. If he consumes a lot of sugar or does not consume a lot of sugar, low blood sugar levels, high blood sugar levels, or typically it's high blood sugar. All right. Also genetic conditions. Sometimes it's in the family, it runs in the family. So it is diabetes. It is a non-communicable disease. Which of the following is a deficiency disease caused by the lack of vitamin C? If there is a dearth means deficiency, a need for vitamin C in the body, and it does not get vitamin C, what would happen? Will it get scurvy? Will it get rickets? Will it get beriberi? Or will it get pellagra? Okay, so the correct option is A, scurvy. Okay, scurvy. Night blindness is often associated with a deficiency of which vitamin? Now, night blindness is a disease caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Which vitamin? Right? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, or vitamin D? It is, yes, A, vitamin A. Okay. Which of the following symptoms is commonly associated with vitamin D deficiency? If I don't have enough vitamin D, what will I get? Is it bleeding gums? Is it a weak immune system? Is it dry skin? Is it bone deformities? Alright, so the correct option is option D, bone deformities. Vitamin D is responsible for bone health. If I have good amount of vitamin D, I have strong bones. I have thick, strong, hard bones. Alright. Which vitamin deficiency is responsible for the development of beriberi? Now, beriberi is a disease caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Alright, which vitamin? I told you to study that table in detail. Now, it is it vitamin A? Is it vitamin B1? Is it vitamin C? Is it vitamin D? It is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, if it is not present in the body, it will lead to a development of beriberi. Which of the following diseases is caused by a lack of iron in the diet? Lack of iron. Okay. So if I have less iron in diet, what disease will I develop? Alright. Is it scurvy? Is it anemia? Is it rickets? Is it goiter? It is B, anemia. Anemia is caused by the lack of iron in the body. Okay. To prevent anemia, we consume a very good diet with iron. Okay, so meat and all contains a good amount of iron. Good contains iron. Apple, banana, all those fruits that go black when put without a peel for a longer time. Okay, when peeled and put for a longer period of time, it will oxidize to form a blackish structure. Okay, so that contains iron. Which of the following vitamins is necessary for the production of collagen? Collagen is good for the skin. Okay, so if I have a good amount of collagen, I will have a healthy skin. Now, out of these, which one is responsible for the production of collagen? Is it vitamin A? Is it vitamin B? Is it vitamin C? Is it vitamin D? So the correct option is vitamin C. Vitamin C is very beneficial for our skin health, immunity. All these are required. Okay, vitamin C helps in the production of all of these. Right, when it was COVID-19, people were buying vitamin C like crazy so that they have good immunity. Which of the following is a viral disease? Okay, a viral disease. Viral means by virus. Now, out of these, which one is caused by a virus? Is it tuberculosis? Is it tetanus? Is it hepatitis? Is it pneumonia? Out of these, which one is by a virus? Alright, the correct option is C. Hepatitis. Hepatitis is caused by a virus. Which of the following diseases is caused by a bacterium called Yersinia pestis? Okay, this is a bacteria, Yersinia pestis. Okay, it causes one of these diseases. We have studied about these diseases. So, which disease is it? Is it tuberculosis? Is it plague? Is it malaria? Is it typhoid? So, the correct option is B. Plague. Plague is caused by Yersinia pestis. Which of the following diseases is caused by the protozoan parasite? Is caused by a protozoan parasite. Right? A protozoan parasite. Is it cholera? Is it dengue fever? Is it malaria, or is it influenza? Now, protozoa causes mostly diseases that are spread by insects, mosquitoes, ticks, right? And using contaminated water. So, out of these, which one is a protozoan parasite causing disease? It is C. Malaria. Malaria is caused by the protozoa. Now, which of the following fungal diseases commonly affects the skin, the nails, the hair? It is a fungal disease, okay? A fungal disease. It affects the skin, nails and hair. Alright, you will get patches all over your skin, all over your hair, okay, all over your nails. Is it tuberculosis? Is it ringworm? Is it malaria? Is it cholera? Out of these, which one is a fungal disease? Alright, if you can spot a fungal disease, that would give you the answer. It is B, ringworm. Ringworm is a fungal disease. Ringworm is a fungal disease. Which of the following sexually transmitted bacterial diseases is characterized by painful urination? So, when you get pain while urinating, okay, that is an example of a symptom of a sexually transmitted bacterial disease. Okay, now which one is it? In which one do you get pain while urination? Is it chlamydia? Is it syphilis? Is it gonorrhea? Is it herpes? All right, so the correct option is over here. It is option C, gonorrhea. Okay, gonorrhea. This causes pain while urinating. Which of the following diseases is transmitted by the Aedes mosquito? Aedes mosquito. Is it the dengue fever? Is it the tetanus? Is it malaria? Is it tuberculosis? It is A, dengue fever. Okay, Aedes causes the dengue fever. Dengue. Which of the following is not a common symptom of bacterial infection. Okay, out of these, one of it is not a common symptom of bacterial infection. Common symptom. Now, in bacterial infections, we get a lot of things. We get pain in our stomach, we get sneezes, we get cold and all. Out of these, one of it is not a bacterial symptom. All right, is it fever? Is it cough? Is it diarrhea? Is it rashes? So the correct option is option B, cough. We do not get cough. All right, we get fever, we get diarrhea, we get rashes, but we do not get cough. Okay, you might get cold, you might get fever, you might get diarrhea, you might get rashes, but not cough. Which of the following is not a symptom of a viral infection? Not a symptom of a viral infection. Okay, sneezing, fatigue, headache, or joint pain. Okay, what is the correct option? It is option D, joint pain. Joint pain is not in viral infection. Which of the following is a common symptom of fungal infection? A common symptom, okay, of fungal infection. Sore throat, muscle cramps. Muscle cramps are pain in the muscle. Sore throat means when you have when your throat pains, all right, you're not able to talk, not able to swallow. Itching. Itching means scratching yourself again and again, and chest pain. Now, out of these, which is not a common symptom of fungal infection? It is itching. A common symptom. It is itching. Which of the following diseases is caused by human immunodeficiency virus? Okay, caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV virus. I told you in the lecture what causes HIV virus. What is the disease caused by HIV virus? Is it influenza? Is it AIDS? Is it tuberculosis? Is it hepatitis? Yes, the correct option is B, AIDS. AIDS is a disease caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, and in this your body loses immunity. Which of the following diseases is not caused by a virus? Not caused by a virus. Right? Not caused by a virus. Cholera, measles, polio, chickenpox. Okay, so I think we all know the answer. It is A, cholera. Cholera is caused by a bacteria. Which of the following diseases is not caused by bacterium? Not caused by bacterium. Okay, tuberculosis, tetanus, malaria, typhoid. Yes, you can guess it is malaria. Malaria is caused by a protozoa. Which of the following diseases is not caused by a protozoan parasite? Not caused by a protozoan parasite. Malaria, cholera, amoebiasis. Okay, that is amoebic dysentery. Sleeping sickness. It is B, cholera. Cholera is caused by bacteria. Simple. Which of the following diseases is not caused by a fungal infection? Not caused by a fungal infection. Athlete's foot, ringworm, malaria, or thrush. Okay, athlete's foot, ringworm, malaria, or thrush. It is C, malaria. If you studied the lectures properly, I have given examples of fungal infections, and malaria is not in fungal infection. Pellagra. Okay, pellagra is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? Okay, so this is a disease caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, or vitamin B3? It is vitamin B3. Which of the following symptoms is commonly associated with vitamin B12 deficiency? Okay, so out of these, what happens when you have vitamin B12 deficiency? Okay, Is it night blindness? Is it fatigue? Is it scurvy? Or is it D, anemia? It is D, anemia. Right? Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of iodine? Iodine. If I have less iodine, what disease will I get? Scurvy, rickets, anemia, or goiter? It is goiter, and it is spelled like this. It is a disease of the thyroid gland. If I don't consume iodine in good quantities, this thyroid will swell. Right? You will see a neck swelling person, that is goiter, thyroid gland. Which of the following vitamins is necessary for the absorption of calcium in the body? For absorption of calcium, I need this vitamin. Is it vitamin A? Is it vitamin B? Is it vitamin C? Or is it vitamin D? It is vitamin D. If I have calcium, if I consume calcium, I need vitamin D. Vitamin D, the rich source is sun or multivitamins. If I get vitamin D and calcium, that is only when my bones will grow. If I have calcium but no vitamin D, then it will not affect my bones. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D? A deficiency of vitamin D. Is it scurvy? Is it rickets? Is it beriberi? Is it pellagra? Okay, out of these, which one is a deficiency of vitamin D? Okay, it is B, rickets. Rickets. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of vitamin A? Scurvy, night blindness, anemia, goiter. By now you know it is night blindness. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of vitamin C? I think we can all identify it is scurvy. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of B1, vitamin B1? Scurvy, night blindness, beriberi, goiter. It is beriberi. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B3? Scurvy, night blindness, beriberi, pellagra. Okay, it is the pellagra. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B2? Scurvy, night blindness, rickets, erybophlavinosis. Okay, erybophlavinosis. Okay, answer is D, erybophlavinosis. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. This was all for the example session. Thank you.